How to start a YouTube channel for beginners, step by step. Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? In this video, I will show you step by step how to start your YouTube channel from scratch, even if you have zero experience. Hi guys, my name is Melody G. Welcome to my channel where I teach you how to grow online and make money using digital skills. Pushpin Step 1. Create your channel. First, you need a Google account. After that, go to YouTube and click Create Channel. Choose a simple name that people can remember easily. Pushpin Step 2. Set up your channel. Next, add your profile picture and banner. This makes your channel look professional and trustworthy. Pushpin Step 3. Choose your content. Now decide what your channel will focus on. It can be tutorials, vlogs, business tips, or even entertainment. Pick one topic and stay consistent. Pushpin Step 4. Record your first video. You don't need expensive equipment. Just use your phone, good lighting, and speak clearly. Your first video does not need to be perfect, just start. Pushpin Step 5. Upload your video. Go to YouTube Studio, click Upload, and add title, description, thumbnail. Then publish your video. Money bag sealer product promo, important part. By the way, if you really want to grow faster on YouTube and understand how to build and monetize your channel step by step, I created a complete guide for you. It's called the Smartphone YouTube Success Blueprint. Inside this guide, you will learn how to grow your YouTube channel using just your phone, how to get views and subscribers faster, how to monetize your content, and how to turn YouTube into income. You can get it here under the description or comment interested under the comments section for your copy now. This will help you avoid mistakes and grow faster as a beginner. Rocket final step, consistency message. The most important thing on YouTube is consistency. Don't stop after one video. Keep posting and improving. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I will be posting more videos on how to grow on YouTube and make money online. See you in the next video.